Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a big warning this week that's been issued by many tech companies and many businesses about gift card theft. And what I mean by that is that it's actually on the rise. We have bots on the internet that are actually increasing in power and increasing in the amount of scams that it can do to steal your card's balance. So this is actually something that's happening a lot lately. People actually go to a site or are getting an offer, but it's fake. And they will give the information of their gift card. And when they want to use it, suddenly they find out that the gift card has been emptied and that there's no more money on it, so you can't purchase anything. The gift card theft is one of the biggest right now, of course, after the fake gift cards, of course. So this is something to be very careful. Do not give gift card numbers anywhere. Do not, give to websites or especially to promises of something that is just too good to be true. Gift cards, always use them at the proper place, at places you know are okay for purchases of any kind. But be very careful of any other offers of any other way where gift card information can be stolen. And of course, your balance will be zero when that happens. And a lot of people apparently are go online and are actually interacting and giving their card numbers to some website that promises something in particular. Then when they actually go in the store, they are embarrassed to see that they can't purchase anything with it because the gift card is empty. Big scam going on right now. Be very careful how you use your gift cards. If you don't want to have a bad surprise, tell everybody to be careful not to, go online and give any numbers of gift cards to whatever site that promises whatever deal that might be interesting. Remember, if it's too good to be true, it's too good to be true. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.